What's up, guys? Before we get started with today's video, which is Ice Cream Cruise and the Burnout contest in the Mustang, this thing did a pretty good job, but I just want to let you guys know that we're doing random cash in orders. So every single order placed on MotionAutoTv.com not only gets you entered for a chance to win our Turbo EK Honda Civic hatchback, but it also gives you, basically it's guaranteed that you're going to get between $1 or $100. So random cash in orders, minimum is $1, so you'll at least get something. Scoop you up some awesome merch, so you don't go home empty-handed, and also give yourself the chance to win our awesome Civic. But yeah, let's go check out and see how the old Mustang here did in the old Burnout contest. Alright guys, so we went back to the trailer, got it all, got the Civic and everything loaded up, and now we have the Mustang over here because we have the Burnout contest that's actually starting right now. So we're gonna go hang out and check out some of these other cars who burn out. I'm not sure when I'm coming up, but I'll be in. I'm gonna try to be last is what I'm gonna try to do. I don't think it's gonna pop about this race. This is a little Focus they ran over. We ready? I'm ready. We ready? Are you ready for this? That was awesome. Gotta let her warm up. I mean, I was gonna tell there's no trust left, but is that true? burnout now, so there's no more tread on it. I can see. You gotta do it with hands. We can see how it is.
Everybody behind the car, I need you to spread out. Spread out now. Back up. You ready? Please do it again. We good? Yeah.
So that was my burnout in the Mustang.
It's so cool, dude.
That
was probably my favorite burnout that I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
It was so rowdy.
So long. Forever, I was just like, I guess we're still sitting here. It's crazy. So, James from Built Tune Race, the truck that I painted last week, April is going. It's going. So we're gonna see how her burnout turns out. That was the burnout. What do you guys think?
It was insane. I can't.
It was sick. I was like distracted. I was trying to focus, do the jump, but it was sick. I seen it.
How
from up
loud
there.
was it?
I mean, I was in front, so
yeah.
I'm sorry, what?
But so they ended up stopping me before I could pop them. They were like, shut it down, shut it down. And then I convinced them to let me. They were afraid that it was going to shoot the rubber out, or going to shoot the tread and hit spectators. I was like, let's test it. We freaking popped them right out. I wish I'd have popped them the first time around, but Look at that thing.
Let him hear it. If you want to hear anything, let him hear it.
I honestly can't believe how long the burnout lasted. It was sitting there on limiter just like banging and popping, and I was just watching the coolant, watching the air fuel, watching the intake air temperature going up, and I was just sitting there and I was like in third. Basically had my toe on the brake and my heel on the gas just like planted to the floor. And then I was like, oh, let me see if I could grab fourth. And freaking just pulled fourth, and it was just like went up like crazy. So super sick. Hopefully got some dope. Well, I know we got some dope drone footage.
All I'm saying is if you don't win, it's rigged.
No, it's going to be between me and April.
Oh, 100%. Well, we'll see with this Mustang though.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
It's still
Stand clear. We
humming.
don't need to determine
Oh yeah, still perfect. Still perfect.
Well done, Burnout.
All right, you guys.
With a nice cold bush light.
How you doing?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
All right, guys. So we have to know now. What is it? 2JZ Mustang?
Dude. Hell yeah, that was awesome.
Is the e-brake on?
Go.
All right, go ahead. That's it.
That way you go left.
Alright guys, so that is going to be it for our first actual ice cream cruise out here in Nebraska. It's basically Omaha is what it is, but the 2JZ Mustang freaking killed it out there on the skid pad, I think, or when I was drifting it. I think it was a little bit lean at first, and so when I actually did the burnout, I gave it a little bit more fuel. It felt so much better, a lot happier. Same thing happened with the Civic, so had to do some minor adjustments to that, but other than the issue with the turbo eating the vacuum line, everything went really smooth. I'm super proud of the Civic, and I think if it didn't eat that vacuum line and pop off, I think we would have probably got a bumper on that Audi. So that was really cool. But the Mustang did awesome in the burnout competition. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Again, if you guys are not entered in the Civic giveaway, be sure to go ahead and do MotionAutoTv.com and get yourself some cool merch and get a chance to win the Civic. So again, yeah, that's it. See you guys later.